Arrested rioters in Manila have admitted to being paid to participate in Sunday's protest action. That's according to acting PNP Chief Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. On Billionaire News Channel's On Point, Nartates says as many as 300 people may have been involved in the riot. Among them are the 216 apprehended individuals, including 89 minors. Nartates also emphasized that the rioters had no permit to hold a demonstration.
Yung mga rallies are not supposed to be there. Wala po silang permit at no rally zone ang Mingjola. And as well as passing through the Ayala Bridge. Tatlo po ang nasirang sinunog na motorsiklo ng MPD and 2 container vans were burned and nambabato na po sila. And at the same time, may nagbabato na po ng Molotov bomb and so on and so forth. So it's the call of the commander at that particular place to have a response. Ang nakita nyo naman po, ang kanilang mga gamit ay naka-helmet at naka-baton at shield. And then they went to arrest yung perpetrators po. Kung ano yung nakita nyo reaction ng ating mga kapulisan, including the public safety personnel, ay ginawa po nila ang karapat-dapat nilang gawin.
Meantime, a lawmaker raised concerns that Sunday's riot in Manila could be used by authorities to crack down on future protest actions, particularly after authorities called those behind it as terrorists. Representative Antonio Tino reminds the public to see the bigger picture.
Bakit ba nangyayari ito? Galit ang taong bayan dahil nga sa walang kapantay na level ng pandarambong nalalantad ngayon. No, so let's not lose sight of that.